Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm going to take you on a tour around the dollhouse today, just to kind of sum up my 2024 renovation details. We can see what I've achieved this year. I've done quite a bit as I have moved the living room upstairs into the bedroom upstairs into the attic, the office from the living room up into the attic also, and I've extended the kitchen, so I've got a full downstairs kitchen diner. The only room I haven't messed with is actually the bathroom. So there's the new office looking fabulous in the same room as the bedroom, but there's more than enough room for both areas on that top floor, which I initially, when I first had the dollhouse, didn't know what to do with. The living room I'm very happy with, although if you watched my video last week, I did say I might make some changes. The bathroom I haven't touched, but as I said, I might have a think about it and do some things. Do like to keep things fresh and not keep them the same for too long. And I'm very, very happy with my massive kitchen dining room, which is kind of like the heart of the house, really. And it is dressed for summer, as this is a summer 2024 tour. And I'm looking forward then to dressing it for autumn and Christmas, as I do with my real house as well. So yes, very happy with everything that I've done. I will just take you around. I will also mention that I do have these as separate videos if you wish to see them in a bit more detail. I have a dollhouse playlist if you want to look on there. If you want to look back and see my old house and dollhouse kits and things that I've done, everything dollhouse is in that playlist. I will be doing a dollhouse kit soon as well, so stay tuned for that. Obviously, I've just got to do it first, but it is definitely something that I am going to try and do during this summer. So hopefully it'll be with you shortly. I'll just take you around each room, let you have a good look, maybe do a bit of talking, but maybe just play some music as well so you can have a look. As I said, there are separate videos if you wish to have a look. And, you know, do drop me a comment and let me know what you think of things, if you think there's anything I should do, because I definitely am going to, you know, I will do tweaks, I will change things as I think of better ideas as they come along. So here is the office, and as I said, I'm very happy with the way it's sort of in the bedroom, but it's self-contained, part of its own space, and then but the bedroom is also still got enough room for all the major things that you need in a bedroom, and it's nice and cozy. So I am really pleased with that renovation makeover that I did on this top floor. When my mum watched my recent video on the dollhouse bedroom, she said that it didn't look very summery because I've got very cozy bedding on the bed. So I did agree with her. So I thought I would just do a quick update, get rid of those super furry pillows. Those ones would work, but I thought I'll take them off because they are sort of wintry looking corduroy, and I've put this nice little light coloured polka dot pillow in, and obviously I've glued that furry duvet on, but I can easily change it by putting something over the top. So I have this old cushion cover and I've just folded over the top and folded some sides in, and I've got myself a new duvet. I've took out the cozy throw and put a nice lemon coloured sheet in the box that goes under the or by the bed. If it gets cool, that can go on that bed as a throw. And there you go. I've just changed the bedroom just for the summer just to add that touch. So there you go, Mom. Hope you think that looks a bit more summery. So don't forget to watch my separate video on how I renovated the living room. I did a lovely rose gold geometric feature wall. I've got I did put some candlesticks, as you can see, on top of the bookcase there. I originally had a vase of flowers, but I moved that down into the kitchen. And I've dressed the room with my objet d'art on the coffee table, which I moved from upstairs, and I kept the settee. I have done a lovely little sort of gallery of vintage posters in the room, but I do think I will change that bird wallpaper because I think it is nice for a bedroom, but I think perhaps for a living room I need to go a bit plainer. So maybe something to complement the rose gold wall, or maybe something like just a grey or something like that. So I will change that wallpaper, and obviously the lampshade. So that will, next time you see the dollhouse, that will have changed. But I'm pretty happy with everything else at the moment. But I do love the fact that a dollhouse is something that you can just keep playing with. You know, it's ever changing, and you can just change things really easily because you just pull the paper off and stick some new paper on. So I do love to keep redecorating the dollhouse. So I was kind of happy with the bathroom, really. I've just added some, like a little seahorse wall art piece, and I changed the towels and put a little towel box in, and just changed what the toilet rolls was in. But I haven't actually made any major changes to the bathroom because I really liked how I kind of created that unit and the shower cubicle. But I will get my thinking cap on because I don't like to leave things too much the same for too long. So I may very well change the floor or walls, maybe the units. I did toy with the idea of maybe a bath instead of a shower, but I'm kind of like, I like my shower. So I will have a think about the bathroom, see what I can do. Maybe even just change the layout. So that is a future project. So watch this space to see what happens. I love my summer kitchen with all my pops of yellow and my lovely little touches. There will be little things that I can tweak. I can make some different utensils, maybe a coffee machine or a kettle or something. And obviously I can redress this when we come to autumn and Christmas. So I am looking forward to that. But I'm very happy with the renovation in the kitchen. Remember, there is a full video if you wish to see it. I'm tucking the doll's house away for now. as I have a few other projects to do, some things around the house. And I have got a dollhouse kit, a new one that I'm going to make. It's a little bit different, so I will be doing a little teaser soon so you can see what that is. And as I make progress, I will do some videos on that for you. So, as always, thanks ever so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you very much. It does mean a lot. Please give me a thumbs up, turn on notifications, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.